Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Ajapuri. I'm out for my morning run just before the markets open, 7:30 out here, Eastern Standard Time. What I want to talk about today is strategy. Let's talk about strategy, man. You got to build something that you can refer to in the markets and have confidence every time you go in and out of that trade for a buy or sell. A strategy basically tells you when you should buy, when you should enter a trade, and when you should get out of it. A strategy could be something as simple as a moving average, right? If price crosses the moving average, that's when you buy. And when it crosses the other way, you sell, okay? It could be a trend line, okay? It could be level two. Level two is price action. It's buying and selling that's happening in real time. There's market makers. It shows you what's on the bid side and what is on the ask side, what's on the buy side and what's on the sell side. Okay, so there's level two, that could be a strategy. There's support and resistance lines. Support and resistance happens because people have memories. Okay, it's regret and fear in the market. Because what happens is, you know, if something rallies through an area, right, and someone doesn't buy, they're always going to have that in their mind saying, you know what, next time price gets to that level, I'm going to buy. So it creates regret. They remember, okay? Same thing, right? If someone's shorting and there's an area of support, right, that the price breaks through, people have memories. They're going to remember that time. So that's what creates support and resistance in the markets. And that's a great strategy too. You just have to mark up the support and resistance, the tops and bottoms on the graph, right? If you go on a higher time frame, that's more, those support and resistance levels are actually, you should refer to those more than the lower time frames, because the lower time frames happen more often, right? So that's that's a really good strategy too. You could use a combination of strategies. You could do support and resistance, level two action, bid. You could do the time and sales, right? Time and sales tells you basically the data that what has been sold, what prices people have paid for or sold at, and based on that, you can formulate an idea. Okay, this is a good area to buy. This is a lot of consolidation happening here, just strictly off of price action. And then there's other indicators too. There's momentum indicators like MACD, right? MACD is a momentum-based indicator. So it takes in a lot of the price action. It takes in the movement of the price and stock, and it formulates it into time periods, and it shows that based off of green and red bars. It's called MACD. That's also a strategy too. There's people that just strictly trade off of MACD, and it can work. It works. I've done it. It works, and especially, like I said, all these indicators, all these strategies, as you go higher in time frames, they work out better, because those support and resistance, the things that happen on higher time frames are more emotional, because the crowd understands those price levels the best, and they're very emotionally attached to those price levels. So you'll notice, you'll really be able to distinctly identify where the support and resistance levels are on a higher time frame. So with that being said, strategies can be very simple. Don't overcomplicate it, but you must backtest it, right? Meaning you go through months of data, years of data. You can even, if you have Thinkorswim, you can actually use a program that they have. It's called On Demand, and you click that, and basically you can go through previous data's, you could previous day's data, and you can test your strategy that way. So if you like that, you could do that. Good morning.
Good morning.
So basically, those are a couple ways that you can develop a strategy. You can And you just need to find confidence in it. Once you have confidence in a strategy, then you're in the game, right? Because whenever a buy comes up, you buy. Every time it says sell, you sell. And you're only as good as your strategy and how disciplined you are to follow that strategy. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I hope to get back to you guys. All right, with that being said, have a beautiful day, and I wish you all the best. Peace.